Hi my gorgeous ones at one with nature. Just having a little walk out on this beautiful, gorgeous sunny day again. I'm just listening to little birds talking in this tree. It's just absolutely amazing out. As we're walking, you can just imagine you're stood underneath this sun with me and just letting it warm the whole of your body up. It's just energizing the whole of your body, bringing in that love and that peace and healing. And restoring balance. And just boosting and energizing and strengthening your immune system. Just take a big deep breath in of this beautiful, gorgeous earth energy. So a nice big deep breath in and out. Another big deep breath in, filling those lungs with this beautiful, gorgeous, healing earth energy. So just bring it into those lungs. Nice big deep breath. And out. Just letting go of any stress, any aches and pains, any fear. Just let it all go. And just let the beauty of Mother Nature just fill your whole body with love and happiness and harmony. Formation of the clouds is amazing as well today. just remember to join together as one and send out your beautiful, beautiful loving energy up into the universe and all for humanity and the animal kingdom and this gorgeous planet. Just keep sending that gorgeous love out there. And when you're sending that gorgeous love out, just envision the world being a beautiful place, full of peace, full of love, full of harmony and kindness. And we're all living and working together as one. No judgments, just happy, carefree, freedom, and just love. My gorgeous ones, I'm sending you lots of love and lots of healing and big hugs. Take care for now. Bye.